Hello, brother. Can you please tell me about your hometown?
Yes, of course. My hometown name is Noshandi.
Yes.
It's famous for textile industries and many kind of natural beauty.
Okay.
And you?
Munshiganj is also known as Bikrampur. It is one of the richest district in Bangladesh, and there are many famous people born here like that Jagadish Chandra Bosu, then Mizanur Rahman Sinha, Humayun Ahmed, and Munshiganj is famous for its potato producing. It is the first district for Bangladesh to producing the abroad in potato.
Oh, bro, it's very good. Your hometown have a great man.
Yes, great
Jagadish Chandra Bosu. He is also very
Scientist.
good, intelligent, and scientist.
Yes.
It's very expensive.
And your Narshingdi?
Our hometown is very peaceful and very safeful.
Okay.
Here have no corruption, and
Okay.
you will be any kind of here, and you're safe, and personality is very good. Our hometown is very richful.
This is famous for natural beauty. Am I
They
right?
are, yes, they are very friendly and kindly.
Okay.
And you?
And our district people are also maximum people are farmer and like short businessmen, and they have now making Badda bridge, so that one of the most famous place in Bangladesh.
Oh, bro, it's very attractive place.
Attractive, yes, and there are many visitors come here to seeing the bridge.
Oh, real
Okay,
life.
nice to meet you, brother.
Okay, nice to meet you too.